Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, verify wire gauge and required connector so the joint carries the load safely. Once done, disconnect power and test the circuit. Safety first. Use wire cutters to trim to final length, then strip 10 to 15 millimeters of insulation cleanly. Make sure strands stay aligned. If the strand frays, twist gently toward the end to compact it. This prevents stray strands and prepares the conductor for a secure mechanical or crimp termination. You now form the core connection. Twist the strands tightly so they act as one unit, and if you choose, tin the end with solder to keep them compact. Tinning helps but is optional if using a ferrule. Slide the ferrule or lug fully onto the conductor. Make sure you see no loose strands. Once seated, use a matched crimp tool and press firmly. For big wire, use a 2-stage crimp or calibrated hydraulic crimper to reach the required compression. You finish the job by inspecting and protecting the joint. Check that the crimp has compressed evenly, no copper is exposed, and the ferrule sits flush under the terminal. Once done, add heat shrink tubing or approved insulating wrap and torque the terminal to the manufacturer's spec. Then test continuity and load if possible to confirm low resistance. If you see heat, burn marks, or high resistance, stop, recrimp, or replace the ferrule.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.